Hi all you beautiful people out there, hope you're well and keeping safe. I'm Chique, Glamour makeup artist, and I'm so excited to be with you. I'm really very excited about taking the next step on social media, which is YouTube. So a little about myself. I am born and bred here in South Africa on the beautiful hot African continent in a beautiful city called Pretoria, also known as the Jacaranda City. I'm Christian. I have an amazing husband and kids who bring so much of light, life and laughter into my life. They are my biggest fans and my strongest support line. I am a very happy person. I'm very excited and passionate about life. So enough about me. Why YouTube? Well, because I'm so passionate about makeup, I just have this desire to share it with everybody. And so I want to teach makeup, and the best place, the best platform to do that is YouTube. So why my channel? What makes my tutorials different to the next? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down for you. I'm gonna break makeup down. I'm gonna make it so easy to do, so easy to understand, so easy to copy from my tutorials, starting with the person who knows makeup, who's just looking for some tips, who's just looking for a different way of applying makeup, right to the person who doesn't know makeup at all. So I don't want my videos or my tutorials to be that video that you switch on, you watch, and afterwards you still where you were before you watched the video. I want my tutorial to be the one that you go, wow, that's it, it's so easy, I understand it, I can do it. I want you to go grab your brushes, grab your makeup and follow the tutorial step by step. And at the end, I want you to be so amazed at yourself. I want you to be so happy with the outcome, with the look that you have created. So that's what I'm going to do in my tutorials. I'm gonna make it doable for you. I'm gonna explain it to you step by step. And how I'm doing this is by starting at the very beginning. I'm starting at the basics and working our way through to other looks. So I will interact with you through the comments. So I need you to comment. I need you to tell me in the comments what you want, what you want to see, what kind of tutorials, what subjects you want related to makeup. So I want you to tell me in the comments what it is that you loved about my tutorial, what it is that just did it for you, that just made you go, wow, it's so simple, I can do this. I want you to tell me whether it was something, a way that I explained it, it was how I did it, that just helped you get it, so that I can use that in my future tutorials and make it easy, not just for you but for everybody else who's watching it. So I am committing to interacting with you. I will respond to every comment, I will respond to every suggestion, because I want to interact with you guys. I'm so excited about that. I'm really so excited about it, because through our interaction, that's how I'm gonna know what you want from me. And please, even if it's a comment where you need to know something and all you need is for me to just respond in the comments, not necessarily a whole video, let me know. I'll respond. I will help you. That's what this is about. If at the end of a video you're able to do the makeup, you are learning from my tutorials, then I have achieved the objective of my channel. So guys, I know that this is gonna be amazing. This is gonna be really an amazing journey, and I'm really excited about it. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified about my bi-weekly posts. So every time I post, you can go and watch my video. If you'd like to see other work that I'm doing aside from my tutorials, please go and check out my Facebook page and my Instagram page as well. I will put links to that at the end of this video. I really look forward to everything that lays ahead for us, guys. I really do. Before I leave you, I'd like to leave you with one of my all-time favorite verses, Matthew 6 from verse 26 to verse 33. It's very inspirational, guys. Go and check it out. So I leave you now, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you lots and lots. God bless.